Thank you for these very, very important questions. When we talk about rehumanization, we do this in this case within the framework or how we should handle or how museums and scientific institutions should handle human remains that come from a so-called colonial context. But I think this question of rehumanization is also very important, not only for human remains, but also refer to cultural objects, because it's about establishing connections, establishing contacts with the communities of origin to which these collections, these objects, and these human remains belong. You know, it's not a question that we can solve here, how we should rehumanize ancestral remains or human remains, but how or which are the processes that need to be taken into account so that we handle this. I'm talking about human remains now, so that we handle these human remains with care and taking into account that these were also human beings. Yeah. So in the case of objects, of course, I don't know if we can talk about rehumanization, but we could talk about maybe re-identification or reintegration. And this is a process that you have dealt with during the conference, which is establishing connections establishing a dialogue, an international dialogue to understand what these objects that were for a long time in missionary collection mean for people in the respective communities and societies.
Thank you.